Hi guys, hoping you have learned the basic of Japanese trick for the multiplication of two digits numbers. If you have not watched the previous videos, link is given in the description box. Before starting this video, do subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any of our update. We are also providing quizzes with certificate. The playlist of quizzes is given in the description box. In this video, we will learn the multiplication of three digits number with Japanese trick with some additional steps. So let's start with our first problem. That is 121 into 112. The process will be same, just we have to check out how to form zones. So for 121, one line we will draw, two lines parallel to the previous one with certain gap, then one line parallel to the previous one and then certain gap. Next, we will draw one line in the cross direction of the previous one line parallel to the previous one with certain gap, and for two lines parallel to the previous one with certain gap. Now we will see how to form zone. From we will take one part only or one corner, so we will take one. Again from left, one. Now we will take two, this and this one. Now from left, two. And the middle zone contains three parts. So it's your first zone, second zone, third zone, fourth zone, and the fifth zone. Now we will simply count the crossing points. 1, 2. So 2 we will write in next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 we will write in next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again 5 we will write in next. 1, 2, 3. So 3 we will write, end of this 1. So the answer for the multiplication of 121 into 112 is 13,552. Let's see the next problem, that is 114 multiplied by 113. The process will be same. For 114 we will draw one line parallel to it, and again 4 lines parallel to it. Now for the next 113 we will draw in the cross direction 1, 1 and 133. We will simply divide this into zones. Now we will count the crossing points. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry we will put here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 1. Answer. So the answer for the multiplication of 114 into 113 is 12,882. Let's see the next problem, that is 123 multiplied by 224. Try to solve with me. For 123, we will draw one line, then two lines, and then three lines. For 224, we will draw two line, and then four lines. We will divide this in zones. If you can imagine these zones, no need to draw it. But if you are a beginner, so you should draw. Now we will count the crossing points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 1 carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. And the last zone 2. Therefore, the answer for the multiplication of 123 into 224 is 27,552. Now we will see the next problem, that is 321 into 123. For 321, we will draw 3 lines, then 2 lines, then 1. For 123, we will draw 1 line, then 2 line, and then 3 lines. We'll divide this in zones. If you can imagine, no need to draw. Now let's count the crossing points. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the answer for the multiplication of 321 into 123 is 39,483. Now we will take the last two problems with some higher number, that is 333 into 254. Again the process will be same. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. For 254 we will draw parallel lines in cross direction of the previous one. 5 line and the last 4 line. We'll divide this into zones. If you can imagine, no need to draw. Now for the first zone, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. 4 3s are 12 and 1 carry over. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 15. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 12. 15 plus 12 27. 27 plus 1 8 and carry 2. Now for this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, that is 15. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, that is 12. 15 plus 6, that is equals to 21. 21 plus 12 33. 33 2 35 and carry off 3. Now 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, that is 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 18. 18 plus 6 24. 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 2 8. Therefore the answer for the multiplication of 333 into 254 is 84,582. Now the last problem for this video is 412 into 313. Again the same process. 1 2 3 4 1 1 2. Again 1 2 3 1 1 2 3. Now we will count the crossing points, hoping you are doing with me. 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, that is 12. 1 1 2 3 1 2 6. So 12 plus 1 13. 13 plus 6 9. 1 carry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 1 8. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. 4 3s are 12. So the answer for the multiplication of 412 into 313 is 1,00,000 28,956. Now practice these problems. If you are having any doubt, do watch the video again. If you are still having doubt, comment your query in the comment box. We will try to solve it. In the next video, we will learn the multiplication of 3-digit number only, but with some additional steps. Hoping you guys have learned something new today. Comment your feedback in the comment box. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the full video.